How to make VLC player start in a smaller window. So I have a few videos here and these are larger than my desktop resolution, and thus I cannot access the X to close the video. I have to grab it and then I can access it. To adjust the sound I have to drag it up and then use that corner. Okay, so to make VLC player start in a smaller window, because the desktop is full HD and the video is 4K, so this is 4 times larger. Start VLC player, press the space bar. Even now I cannot access the pause button. Go up here to the menu, tools, come down to preferences, Ctrl P is the hotkey. And we have these tabs. On the interface tab we have this resize interface to video size. Uncheck that resize, close it with the save button. Now make the window smaller also, something like that, and move it, let's say there, and close it. And now this position will be remembered, position and size. Next time when I'm opening the window, it is smaller, it's not exactly that size. Okay, but it remembered a smaller size. Now let's see if I make it larger, then now it's remembering its size. Okay, so that's how to make VLC player start in a smaller window when the desktop resolution is lower and the video size is higher, Full HD versus 4K in this case.